morning, you guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for coming back to watch another video, baby. Another day, another vlog. Right now I'm about to eat. We ordered some chips from the store. I'm about to eat chips and bread, and yeah. Hi guys, so it is later on in the day and I wanted to show you guys what came earlier on today. I ordered some stuff from Takealot last week and they only came this week. I'm pretty excited because one of the things that came is what I'm currently using. This is your day, baby. Just sexy day. My ring lights, I'm so excited. I got a ring light. I'm so happy. I've been wanting this for the longest time. I had one before, but yeah, I had one before and it broke, so I had to get a new one. This is an 18-inch ring light. So the products I'm about to show you guys right now is products that I bought because I wanted to like take really good care of my skin, and I wanted to like lighten my dark stretch marks that I have on my body, and just like overall general skin moisture. I want that glow, you know, I want that. So the first thing that I got is this Lemke organic coconut oil, and this coconut oil was 170 and it take a lot, and yeah, it's supposed to help with that, like just skin moisture. It doesn't smell off at all. It doesn't smell off. It smells like, yeah, this is a 1 kg jar and it's really big. Hopefully this is gonna last longer and hopefully it's gonna help. And then the next product that I got is this unrefined shea butter by First Seed Organics, and this smells oh my god, this smells horrible. I cannot deal. You can just see, like you can just see how the white taking. It smells so bad. It smells so bad. I don't want it near me, but like I don't have no choice right now. But hopefully this works too. Like people really recommend shea butter. Yeah, hopefully it works, and I'm most definitely gonna put like I'm gonna put a spritzer, or maybe like, I don't know, I'm gonna put a spritzer or my perfume in it so that I can like kill the smell, because The next thing that I got is this Daquan aloe vera gel. Like honestly, I got those products because I'm really struggling with accepting my stretch marks. Not like accepting them, but I would like to lighten them because they're really dark. Like they're really dark, and I don't like dark stretch marks. I don't mind like white stretch marks, but dark, no ma'am, they gotta go. So I want to do that and just like give my skin good moisture. So yeah, that's why I got those products. Ooh, this smells good. Ooh, it smells nice, and it has this lid on there, but I can already smell it. Yeah, it smells good. Let me remove this. Maybe it's done. Ooh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, I could even wear this on its own. And then this I didn't buy. This I had it for the longest time. This is the Brandy tissue oil that I'm going to be using together with this product. So my main thing is I want to make a lotion for myself that is going to target these problem areas that I have. So people be saying coconut oil, shea butter, and all this, when we mix them together, it really does help your skin. And I've been seeing these girls on YouTube doing that as well, so I decided to just, like, you know, go buy it. And then if it works, it works. It's worth a try. If it works, it works. And then if it doesn't, then I guess I'll have to accept them as dark as they are. But I believe you can lighten them. Yeah, I believe you can lighten them. So yep. And also I'm going to be doing my own, like, soap to help with lightening them. So this didn't arrive today. I actually went to the mall the other day. I was gifted a bag and I returned the bag for this dress. Let me show you guys this dress. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is a nice, beautiful A-line dress, and this was 400 rand. This was 400 rand at Foschini. I don't know if I should try this on for you guys. Should I? Okay, let me try this on for you guys and let me show you the dress.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this is the dress, guys. This is the dress. Absolutely love it. Stunning. This is the back of the dress. It has 3 tie strings. It is a mini skirt. As soon as I bend over, it's over. Oh my goodness, it is so beautiful. Like, it's so pretty. It's giving pretty girl, teen girl, gorgeous, gorgeous girl. So this with some slides, like white slides, and my Zara mini bag. Period. Period. Hi guys, so I ordered some food from Uber Eats. I ordered some McDonald's. I was just getting some work done and I just don't have time to cook right now. It is 9:38, 20 minutes to 8 o'clock in the afternoon. Don't know, in the afternoon or what. So I'm just gonna finish working, and then after that I'm gonna show you guys what my boyfriend got. He said he wanted to buy my son a bicycle, so I don't know if he got it, but if he did, then impulse buy. I don't support that, so plan for your things, plan for your shit, okay? Plan for your shit. But anyways, I know my son is gonna be happy. My son is gonna be excited about the bicycle, so I don't mind anything for him. Child. I got a Happy Meal, and then we got the bicycle. So this is the one. I hope it has this little wheels, training wheels, 2-piece. Yeah, nice. Puma nice.